Here we are in Canyon City, Colorado. This coming train is the Royal Gorge Route Railroad passenger train. It's really cool. I'm starting a video early because it's going to get noisy here in just a minute. We rode it a couple days ago. Definitely worth it. Had a lot of fun. Let's see if we can get him to honk the horn here. Wait until he's in view. So that one's coming up. We really enjoyed it. A lot of fun. That's the car we were on. That one doesn't look horribly packed. When we were on it, it was packed. Maybe a lot of the people are outside taking pictures. We did not go out. We just enjoyed ourselves, had some beers, and ate some food. It was a lot of fun. Plus, everybody that went outside said it was really, really cold. And it was colder on that day. Today is almost 80 degrees. April 14th, one more day, no, 13th. A couple more days until tax due. But it was a lot of fun. Not sure we'd do it again, but it was fun.